Let's create a sketch for light bulb. We're going to create a light bulb today. Let's hide this. Okay, let's keep this point. Okay, we need this point and we are going to revolve it. So let's start with the center line. Okay, enter it. And this parallelism constraint we don't need. This will make it rigid. Okay, so this point with this axis should be coincident. Okay, this is our center line. Then let's draw a line at let's start with the line. Okay, this should be at a length of should be 30 mm and then 90 degrees. Okay, and as usual, this one is deleted. Okay, let be there. No problem. And then from there to here it is 20 mm length, 20 mm length. Okay, horizontally 0 degree. And then let's draw another line from here at a distance of 4 mm. Okay, let's keep it somewhere here. And then from this point at a distance of 30 mm. Okay, let's keep it like that. Basic sketch. Let's create a point somewhere here. Okay, let's give its dimension from this to this should be 70 mm. Okay, and dimension from this to this axis should be 50 mm, like 20%. Okay, let's give 50 then. And from here, let's draw an arc, a circle. Okay, let's draw a circle at a radius of just 43 unit. Okay, and then we need one more line for that. Start with an arc, and for that we should create one more point, intersection point. Let's take usual method like this. Offset this line by at a distance of some 70 mm. Where it's gone? It should be the other way around. Offset. Okay. 70 mm. Okay. This one is default axis now. Let's make this issue point. Okay, that point. Let's give a dimension to this edge. Okay. And then let's draw an arc of 60. Oh, sorry. 60 radius. Okay, like this. And then another arc from this endpoint at okay, let's get article then. Okay, let's draw a circle using this as intersection as center point. Okay, to touch this, that's 20 mm, right? Radius. Okay, and after that, by using the same center point, let's draw an arc at radius of 80 mm. There should be. Okay, let's stop it here. Then let's go for trimming it. Trimming the unwanted elements. Okay, quick trim. This is trimmed. This is trimmed. This is trimmed. This one. Okay, great. And this should be construction elements. Okay, now what is constraining this one at the okay, it's perfect because we have given radius also. Oh, it seems okay. That's it. Let's check once the construction elements. Okay, let's make it construction elements. Very good. Let's check for once again and construction elements. That should be that point should be construction elements, right? Okay. Oh my goodness. These points. Anyway, we don't need to shoot. Okay. Oh wait. Let's check once again. And constraint. Okay. Close it. And again show you. Close it. It's not working. Okay, let's see the sketch. It will not work. Okay, that's why we have to at least this one, this point, and this point should be construction elements. Oh. Why that's not showing me? Construction element. There should be construction element, and this point also should be by definition of the default. Let's see whether it's working or not. Now let's go for inserting another geometric set in the pot light bulb. There should be surfaces. Okay. Okay, under the surface, let's revolve it. Let's revolve this profile at 360 degrees. Okay, that's it. Now you see the part. Okay, that's it. It's come. Yeah. And let's hide the scales and these two places as the um, one features that we should have given the part model. Okay. Okay. Let's see. We'll take the report and go for joining it. Okay. Okay. Let's go point O2 for view. We have been fine. Okay. Now let us go for the part body and let's go for the part design. And in this, let's try to thicken it. Okay. Let's try to thicken it by 0.6 mm. Okay. 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 Goes good. Now in this, you can apply chamfer of 45 degrees, 3 mm preview. Okay. And then chamfer by 4 mm preview. Okay. And this join, let's hide it. Okay. That's all. We have created a part modeling of the light bulb. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.